Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Nur Hakim bin Muhammad Noh. Nama magic saya 14 DTK 19F 1018. Saya dari kelas DTK 4B. Okey, hari ini saya akan membuat video tentang menerangkan type of user interface. Jadi sama-sama korang semua harap bolehlah menikmati video ni ya. Jika kalau tak faham bolehlah tanya ya. Okey. Okey, kembali bersama saya Muhammad Nur Hakim bin Muhammad Noh. Okey, saya akan menerangkan type of user interface. Okey, di sini terdapat 5 type of user interface. So, yang pertama adalah command line interface, menu interface, graphical user interface, voice activated interface dan web form interface. Okey, the command line interface is the most older type of interface where user type in command by keyboard and having just textual response. So the command type according to the predefined format. CLI often used by programmer and system implementation in engineering and scientific environment and by technical advanced personal computer user. The user have to memorize command and rules of writing this command. So advantage command line interface is much faster than any type, need much less memory, do not use as much CPU processing, low resolution, and CLI does not require Windows to run. So the disadvantage, it can be confusing for someone who has never used a CLI. Command have to be typed precisely. If user misstep an instruction, it is often necessary to start from stretching again. There are a large number of commands which need to learn. User cannot just guess what the instruction might be, and user cannot just have a go. Okay, the next is a menu interface. So present user with a menu of choice rather than learning specific command. User choose them from the menu. Menus can contain submenus with a case. User need to memorize how to access a particular command. One menu often lead to a virtual menu. Part of screen may hide to an instruction followed by numbered list of options choose from. Okay, the advantage menu interface is easy to use. There are no command to learn or remember. Step-by-step operations are given so that user that do not have visual, they can speak a good telephone or for visual impaired pupil. They do not need high amount of processing power or memory. So disadvantage menu interface is a poor design menu interface. It can be irritating if there are too many screens to work. User often cannot go to the exact place they want right at the start. Poor design, it might to be hard to read. Okay. The next is graphical user interface, means GUI. It's the most common type of user interface in use today. It is very friendly way for people to interact with the computer because it is make use of picture, graphic, and icon. Okay, the all modern OS have at least one of type of GUI. For example, Microsoft, Windows, Mac, Linux, and has a number of GUI available. Okay, advantage user interface is easy to use, especially for beginner. Easy to explore. User do not have to learn complicated command. Fast full screen instruction is possible with immediate access to anywhere to screen. Okay, the disadvantage is take up much less amount of hard disk space than other interface. Need significantly more memory. It means RAM. User more processing more than another type of interface. Can be slow for experienced programmer to use. Okay, the next is voice activated interface. A voice activated interface means VAI. make human interaction with computer possible to drop voice or speech platform in order to integrate an automated server or process. Eh, my wrong. Not server, but service or process. AI will be able to tell the computer what to do. It will be able to active multiple function in a car, television, or microwave by voice command. However, with advance in technology, AI have become more commonplace, and people are taking advantage and value that this hand-free, eyes-free interface provide in many situations. Advantage voice-activated interface is the user do not need to be trained in how to use the interface, more flexibility than a deluxe interface, suitable for physically handicapped people. And disadvantage voice-activated interface is reliability may remain an issue. The interface can only respond to commands that have been programmed. High complex to program, not wide available as order from of interface often unsuitable. The last is web form interface. So web form interface on screen from display field content data item or parameter that need to be communicated to the user. Okay, web form allow a user to enter data that is sent to a server for processing. Web form resemble paper form because internet user fill out the form using checkbox, radio button, or text field we define in formal programming language such as HTML, PERL, PHP, Java, or .NET. For example, web form can be used to enter shipping or credit card data to order a product or can be used to retrieve data. Example, searching on a searching engine. So advantage from interface, web form interface of using web-based. User enter the data. Data may interact 24 hours a day globally. So data itu hanya 24 jam saja. Okay, disadvantage-nya, the experienced user may become impatient with input or output form. Okay, itu saja daripada penjelasan saya. So harap korang dapat fahamlah jenis type of user interface ni. Semoga bermanfaatlah kepada korang ya. Assalamualaikum.